Months of planning, thousands of kilometers, and one epic adventure. With our trusty beast loaded to the roof, the cameras rolling, we leave Cape Town behind and point our wheels north towards the wild heart of Africa.
As long as it's not a mistake. It's a little wet this morning.
This is an 11,000 kilometer expedition transiting 3 countries into some of the most remote and untamed places on Earth. There we go.
On the road again.
On the road. Diesel, there's a shortage. Everyone's queuing up with jerry cans. We'll eat Kalahari dust for breakfast, spend our days baking under the African sun. We'll rattle our way over endless corrugations, get stuck in bog holes, and squeeze through dense bush, feeling every scratch on the beast.
Wow! That's
It's gonna be hot, it's gonna be bumpy. It'll probably test our patience and occasionally our sanity. Every kilometer takes us further from the familiar and deeper into the unknown. Will the beast make it? Will the roads be passable? Have the diesel pumps run dry? More importantly, have we finally bitten off more than we can chew? Flapjack time!
Yeah.
There's only one way to find out. We are Christoph and Diane and have a taste for adventure. This is Tonic life, and this is our tale of survival as we pushed to our absolute limits, donating blood to tsetse flies and getting lost in the middle of nowhere. Let's just get out of here. If this speaks to your soul, then dial down and tune in as we venture deep into the heart of Africa for this season of Zambia Unbound. After all, what could possibly go wrong? Yeah, what's happening?
I don't know how much I'm meant to tell.
Where are we going? On the North Road.
We're on the North Road. And we're going on an awfully big adventure.
Awfully big.
Awfully big. No, it's just so cool to be on the road. So cool. And so the journey begins. There's something deeply satisfying about leaving the city in your rearview mirror. The noise fades, the pace slows, and little by little the world begins to feel bigger. Our first stop is the Olifants River, because every expedition needs a gentle beginning. A chance to find our groove again. Is it a bit cold?
It's not freezing, but it's that early morning chill, and then you're in your nice sleeping bag, and then your husband goes, "Dad, coffee is ready." And then it's like to get out of that sleeping bag is quite a mission. And now I've got this, which is just as good as my sleeping bag. So, no, it's not really that cold. It's very nice coffee.
Compliments.
Yeah, good.
I'll take any.
Good
These
start to the new series.
I'll take any compliment coming my way.
They're so few and far between, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
At least you admit it. Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Yes, it's been a while, but as you can see, we're back on the road. It's our first night over there, camping on the banks of the Olifants River. We had a beautiful, tranquil evening, serenaded by 2 spotted eagle owls and chirping frogs. So yeah, what more do you want? But this is the beginning of our next series and adventure to Zambia. We've got a long journey to get there. Of course, we're making it exciting on the way. So yeah, if you're interested in Zambia, follow us on this series. We're going to be transiting the Kalahari, crossing 3 borders, and yeah, hopefully we see lots of game. And yeah, stay tuned, follow along, and see you on the road. Cheers. It's funny how quickly we forget how to pack a camp efficiently. Which drawer holds the coffee? Which routine makes life simple? Somehow everything takes twice as long, but slowly the old rhythm starts to return. Perhaps that's what these journeys are all about. Not escaping life, but remembering how we were meant to live in it. Yeah, back in the saddle?
Back in the saddle, jeez, and how? Steep learning curve again.
Yeah, out of practice.
Majorly so.
Took us forever to pack up.
And the rusks went out with the coffee.
Yeah, what's that all about?
Jeez.
The homemade rusks.
What job?
Yeah. We found them eventually, eh?
Yeah. No, all good. Now we start day 2 of the adventure. The big adventure.
If you enjoy these adventures, give us a thumbs up. It helps more people discover the channel. And if you'd like to see whether we actually make it home or not, hit subscribe. Got a question, a tip, or just want to say hello? Drop us a comment below. We read every single one. It keeps YouTube happy, and apparently that's quite important. The Northern Cape is South Africa's largest province, yet it's home to the fewest people. There's enough space out here for silence to become a companion and for your thoughts to finally catch up with you. The R27 is a road that teaches patience. There are no traffic jams, no rush hours, and very few reasons to hurry. Just endless skies, open landscapes, and the occasional springbok reminding you that you're merely passing through. Some roads get you to a destination. The R27 reminds you that the journey was always the reason you came. First gate of the series. You play nicely now. Just open the gate.
I'm going to open it.
Just hurry up.
Just practice a bit of patience.
1 hour later.
Come, the battery's dying.
I'm going to lock it.
Yeah. Verneukpan is a lonely place and literally means the pan that deceives. Out here, the horizon simply drifts away. The world is reduced to its simplest form, a vast canvas that meets the sky, and the constant wind to dry the crust beneath our tires. For a while, time forgets to exist. The noise of life fades to the distance, and all that's left is the experience of nothing. It's surreal, almost dreamlike. And remember, if you like this channel, what do you have to do?
You have to like and
Subscribe.
please. We value your
Support.
subscriptions. And
We feel the
subscribes.
love. And it's a free way to support us.